Yeah. For every student fighting silent battles, this one's for you. Woke up at 6, same shoes, same pain. Rain on the roof, but I still catch the train. Mama said, son, keep your head up high, but I saw the tears she was hiding inside. Lunch break came, pockets got nothing. Friends buying food while my stomach kept rumbling. Books in my bag, hope in my chest. Try my best while life gives less. Street light shining when I'm heading back home. Studying alone while my father's gone. Bills on the table, dreams on the wall. One wrong step and it all could fall.
We're chasing stars with broken wings, holding on to impossible things. Empty pockets, heavy dreams, trying to be more than what life seems. And even when the world says no, we'll keep walking through the cold. One day they'll know our names. One day they'll know our pain.
Teachers ask what I wanna become. I smile and answer, but my heart feels numb. Cause ambition costs more than they understand, when survival is the first exam. Late night crying, nobody sees. Pressure so heavy it brings me to my knees. Everybody posting victories online while I'm counting every single dime. But I still write verses, I still believe, through every scar hidden in my sleeve. Maybe these struggles are shaping my soul. Maybe this broken road leads to gold.
If you can hear me and you're feeling alone, just know somebody's fighting the same war at home. We're chasing stars.